Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Let's continue. 4 and 3x. That's nice. Alright, let's see. Okay. Where? Ooh, let's go. Lightning storm 3 times. That's something.
Lightning storm.
Das ist something, guys. Let's go to the roof. Hey guys, I am here, and we have a 3 times multiplier on this one. That means we will have 1,200x on the top. 600, 300, 150. Really nice multipliers. It's time for you to decide where to go. First, second, third strike. We might get global as well, so that would be really, really nice, but how it's gonna work out, we'll have to find out. Well, let's start with the first strike. First strike will be 105x. Okay, decent start, but we can do better. Second strike. Oi, 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 oi. 5, 3, okay, that's pretty amazing. 3,600x, 1,800x, and so on. So let's go. 450x. Here I am. Give us the 100. 135. I wanted to say 1,200, but well, anyways, 135. Congratulations. Second strike, the best one. 450. Very nice. Congratulations. We have 879 winners in a total. Very, very good. Very, very nice.
Spicy chicken burger? I think we do have it. Like, in what country is she, Boo? Alright, Global Multi, 3x Monster Mash number 18. Yeah, right now, like, for limited edition, we have those McFlurries with a pistachio Nutella as well. Fries, like shaking fries or something like that. Shake fries. Monster Mash number 9. Here we go.
It's the Monster Mash.
Welcome to the Monster Mash. Let's start to build our monster. Start it with a legs. Come on, bestie. 50 for the legs. 6 global. Come on. 6 for the head. What's going on? Let's apply 336 total. 336x within it. Bestie, look at you. Ooh, you're huge and golden. You eat 763 to the winners. Bingo Blast, Host 100. Top 3 winners. Woohoo! Betting time. Let's go, baby. And it was not with a global multi from the wheel. Wow. That's good luck. Bestie was on fire. 336. 336. Sorry, I already told you. I didn't know.
up. Awesome. Got a 9. Great. That was the first one. 16 encased in the gold. In the red. 3 skips here at least. Alright, not skip. Not 21. Not 30 either, please. Nothing. Don't do it. Nobody wants to see a 9. Thank you. 90x. Well, that's a nice price. Second best. That's a miss. What about double? Doubles in the red, guys. Come on. 2 more skips, guys. 15's a miss. Come on. Gotta miss the 45, guys. Yay! Let's go. First battery charger, guys. 225x. Let's go. 768 winners. Nice. Best win of the session. Hope Sanjeev A14 and Rock. Top winners. Congratulations, guys. Let's continue with another spin. Here we go. Greetings to all newcomers, guys. Hello there. Welcome to Lightning Storm Studio. How are you?
So how do you like it so far? Like, is it like more interesting now or still? No, I mean, I think it is more interesting because like you watched like so many episodes already. My name is Asac Schrader, and I believe you've met Tuco already. Yeah, you probably met Tuco. I believe most probably you already met Saul. I'm not sure. Yes, I have. Tight. Damn, man. Look at that look. Oh, 14, everybody. Fireball. 5x. Boom. Let's go. Come on, guys. Man, I really hope we're going to get something great now. So, 5x applies. Nice. So that's going to be 2.5 thousand X is the highest multi, everybody. Let's go. Sorry. Good luck. Man, so many red multis out there. Come on, give us something good. Well, guys, okay, that's a red one. I'm not sure how much exactly we're about to find out together. 500? Wait, what? 500X, everybody, the summer fireball. Yeah, congratulations. Now we talking. Let's go. Vamos! 856 minutes in total. We got a top one, 12.5 thousand. Goes one other. Congratulations, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Nice. Yes. Let's go. Congratulations, everybody. Joe! Nice. Where's the 40x max? Exactly, 500x. We just had. Cha-ching. Now we're talking.
Oh, DNA, thank you. You're beautiful. Friends from non-popular countries. I don't think I have friends for anywhere else except for Latvia. To be honest, I don't have like any internet friends. Only you guys. Only you guys are from other countries. I guess I'm kind of boring in that sense. But yeah, that is 12. Let's go to viral. hotspot with 7x. Well, ladies and gentlemen, please meet me at the hotspot and take that wheel multiplier with you. Okay, let's apply the 7x die. Sweet. As a result of that, out to 700x for me. So right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen, your own boss, your own decision maker, trying to figure out where could potentially that 700x be hidden. The closer you get to it, the higher the multiplier you could get. That is how it works here. So thank you for your decisions. Let's go for the reveal. We need to know where's that 700x. We're getting closer. We see the 105 revealed already. 140, 280, 350. And look at that right up there. We see the hotspot, but wait for it. That is not it. Let's see where will the double area land. Oh my God, not 210. All right. Well, congratulations to all the winners. I hope you're satisfied with the multipliers that you got. This was really fun in my opinion. Congratulations to 991 winner. One of you managed to find the hotspot. Okay. Now new betting time is all yours. So place your best for the next round. Let's keep on having some fun. You can miss higher. The lightning storm we meet. Let me remind you, you can bet on a segment on 1 to 20 segments numbered that way, which will turn out to be one of the 5 bonus games. You can go for the X Chaser, Storm Chaser, use autoplay. Put in odd numbers, even numbers, however you like, however you think. So your mind just every now and then highlighting that potential. So you know all the things that you could do if only you wanted to. 5x on 11. That is the battery charger. Okay, Dad. Let's see. It's on 10. No. Stop it. All right, that's gonna be 10. Hotspot. It's a monster. All right, welcome to Hotspot. Everybody, let's add the 10x to everything. And now the highest multiplier is at 1000x. It's your decision time. Which out of all of these tiles is gonna be the hottest one? Where's the 1000x hiding? Up for you to choose. Let's go. Final seconds, everybody. Alright, let's see. It's starting to reveal the multis. Oh, 30x is the lowest one. Let's see, where is that 1000x? Look at all those numbers, everybody. And there we have it. 1000x is right here, right now. Time for the double area. Where's that landing? And the corners, we made a 300, 140, 200. What else? 400 as well. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Double area now, everybody. And that is above the hotspot, 80, 40, 30, 20. Thank you so much for playing, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all the winners of this round. We happen to have a total of 628 winners winning, €140 top win betting time. And let's get going, everybody. Tiger, I'm doing all right. Thank you so much for asking. A few more seconds, we'll have some breakfast and coffee later. No more, but thank you. Did you sleep well? How many hours did you sleep last night? Ladies and gentlemen, wishing you all good luck. Try to guess the result. Good luck with the new spin. You can then leave which space 1 to 1 or numbered segments from 1 up to 20. Wow, 25x hotspot. Hopefully 2x battery charger and hotspot. Available wheel multipliers. Any segments 20 times. Whoa! 20! It is hotspot with 25x wheel multiplier! Woo! Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. 100x twice. No, it's 2,500x now. And you get 15 seconds to choose your tile and find the prize from 75x up to 2,500x. Autopick can give you a random tile if you're not sure. And of course, double area will come later as well. Time's up. Let's open them up. 75, 125. Now we're talking 175, 250, strikes. Below the hotspot with some 1,750, 500, 350. It's a double area. Thank you so much for playing. I hope you had fun. Definitely let me know in the chat what you got. 825 winners, 5 with a 10,000 euro top win. Sheesh. Betting time, everybody. That was insane. I was not expecting that. Congratulations. Is that the new biggest win of today? Are we record holders, guys?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.